Worried about how much of your financial life is tracked online or by institutions? Physical gold and silver offer a way to keep your retirement savings more private. Traditional investments like stocks, bonds, or IRAs often require personal data, reporting, and digital tracking that can leave your financial information exposed. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that physical gold and silver are different. They are tangible assets that don't need constant reporting or digital documentation. You can hold them directly, store them securely, and maintain discretion about your savings. This guide highlights how gold and silver can help you maintain privacy and control over your retirement assets. It's one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you a clear, informed view before making any investment decisions. I've linked this guide in the description. Claim your free copy and see how holding gold and silver can help you keep control of your savings while staying private. You can find the link in the description.